Hello, this is Seth, Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Dodge Dart Rallye. Under the hood we have a 2.0 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in pitch black. It looks great. You do have your Dodge badging up front right there, as well as your bifunction halogen projector style headlights right there with your fog lights hanging out down there. Coming around the side here, we do have 18-inch rims with our BF Goodrich tires. Lots of tread still left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. You do have your mirrors hanging out right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we got the Rallye badging, the backup camera, Dodge and Dart, all hanging out there. Now on the keys, we just got to press the button to open up the back. Lots of room back here as well. Very nice. You got your extra mats hanging out there. You can fold those seats forward if you need extra room, and you do have your spare tire just underneath there if you did ever need it. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, 2 presses to open up the back, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter. Get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. Or in the summer, get it nice and cool for you. You don't have to go outside. Now, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all in here. Bit of silver accenting here. This button does open up your gas tank right there. Got a handle here. And some storage down there with the water bottle holder. Looks great in here. I do like the white stripe down the seats. They look very nice. You do have the controls over your seats right here. And then you have the controls over your lights. So your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And up here we do have the controls over the high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now right in the center we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have right in the center there our speedometer, but we can switch that around to our trip A and B. You also have your range till empty, your average liters per 100 kilometers, your current liters per 100 kilometers, tire pressure, settings, your temperature outside, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. About on the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down button as well as a source changer. Then in the center, you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. So you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media player if you have one hooked up through your, there you go, your disc, your USB, SD card slot, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You also have your controls over your screen. You have your climate control here, so the power and all that. You also have your navigation right here. If you hit view map, you can see we are on rec place, of course. You have your phone options right here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and you also have your settings right there. When you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And then down in the climate control, we do have a volume up and down with a power. You have your traction control, your hazard lights, tuner, and browser. You have your AC, your circulation, heat up and down, power, off, front and rear defrost, some storage and a plug-in just in there, your gear shift right here. You also have some cup holders and your e-brake right over here. And in here you do have a CD player, as well as you have your USB, aux cord, and your SD card slot all hanging out in there. Over here we do have our glove box right there. Up top you do have the controls over your sunroof. And there's our sunroof, letting in lots of light. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door you do have the same handle in the silver. You have the control of your windows, handle here, and a little bit of storage just down there. Looks great in here. Same material as the front, same seats. They look fantastic. You do have this guy that folds down. Then you have some cup holders there and a little bit of storage just in there. You can also fold these seats down, like I said, just by pulling this. Folds down just like that. Then you have more room in the back to put stuff in. And there's our 2.0 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2013 Dodge Dart Rallye. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.